Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2006 Toyota Tundra TRD. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm going to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition of the truck for yourself without a doubt. It's a big reason why we love doing these videos. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at before you even come in. You see it has a rear tinted windows there. Tow pack. I want to say this is a limited as well. Yeah, it is the limited. And it's in really good shape. This is definitely an affordable pickup truck, Tundra. Fog lights. There we go. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. Let's take a look here. See, it does have the power windows, power locks. It's a power seat here. Let's get the condition of the leather. No rips, tears, or stains. Center console. There are captain's chairs up front, as you can see. Get the rear for you here. Back seats. That is a power slider there. Alright, let's get to the features up front here. Again, power slider for the rear there. The steering wheel controls. Stock stereo. Four-wheel drive. Focus in here a little bit. There we go. AC does blow cold. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. I can navigate this with one hand here. Find the latch. Where are you? There we go. Sorry about that, folks. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like getting this in here for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few, so you know what you're looking for. That in there. Whatever that is, looks pretty new. Stick that in here. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. Sorry, I'm trying to find the key here, folks. Alrighty. Got it. Let's close that back door. Alright, let's turn it over. Give me one quick sec. There is the mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights. Let's turn it on a radio station here so you can hear the music. Stereo works just fine. Alright, let's go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Humming along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around. Whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.